Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 503 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Trestique matte color plus shiny lip balm crayon. So this is from my June Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, and if you want to see my unboxing of that, I will link that video down below. But so this retails for $25, but it is a 2-in-1. So kind of feel like you're getting more for your money when it's 2-in-1 products. But I've never heard of this brand before, but it sounds like a brand that I'm very interested in because it's all about multitasking and for the busy person, and I just always feel so busy, like there's just not enough time in the day. So when you can save some time with your makeup products, then I am into it. I also really like that this is natural ingredients, paraben-free, synthetic fragrance-free, cruelty-free, and it says petrochemical-free. It also says that the BB Balm is infused with cocoa butter, Monjoy Tahiti butter, peach oil, and olive fruit oil. And I love a product that can hydrate my dry lips. And I also love the packaging on this. So it has a magnetic closure. So it just like snaps back on. It's so secure and it's so cute that it just like looks like a pencil. But on the bottom here is the lip balm. Really little. Oh, but it does twist up. Oh, I love that. Okay, let's see how much it twists up. So that's as far as it twists up. So let me just go ahead and swatch the lip balm. Yeah, it doesn't have any color to it, but it does have some nice shine. And then the lip pencil here, this is supposed to be matte. Oh, and I have it in the shade Belize. Let's see how much product we get in here. And that's it twisted all the way up. So I'll just go ahead and swatch this one. I mean, really nice pigment. Glides on. It's a really pretty wine shade. And it does look like it has a nice matte finish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the lip crayon to my lips, and then I'll add the lip balm on top of it. This does work as a good lip liner too, even if I wanted to just use this as a lip liner. There's another use for it. So that is a pretty kind of deeper berry shade than I was expecting now that I'm seeing it on my lips. It is really pretty, but it's definitely more of a kind of nighttime, elegant type of shade, or more of like a winter shade rather than like the summer. So I'm kind of surprised that this is the color that would come in my June Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I feel like it should have been more of like a bright pink, but it's still a pretty color. And it is a nice creamy formula. It is a little bit enhancing to the dry parts of my lips, so it'll be interesting to see if that lip balm helps. But even though it does have a matte finish to it, it's more of a creamy matte, so it's not drying. So the directions on this said to then blot it before applying the lip balm. So I just want to do a kiss test and see the transfer. So that does help it have less transfer and looks even more matte after doing that, but I do like the look of it. But so let's see how it does with that lip balm on top. I feel like the lip balm has kind of a vanilla-ish scent to it. It smells nice. That really helped my dry lips. My dry lips look and feel so much better. There's no clinging to the dry patches anymore. And this really does give such pretty shine. Oh, I love how it looks with the lip balm on top. Now, I'm just curious how much more transfer there is now. Wow, look at that difference. And it faded, but it's still like looking really nice. So it's definitely more, there's more transfer when you have the lip balm, as to be expected, but it looks really pretty. So I'm happy about this. I'm happy that I have this in my collection, and I just really appreciate something that's like different and has more of a unique design to it than just a regular lip crayon. And I definitely want to check out more from this brand. So if you've tried anything from Trestique, probably not even pronouncing that correctly, let me know your thoughts on those products and what other products you would recommend in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.